Sermon number 228. About a companion who passed away from this world before the occurrence of troubles. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. May Allah reward such and such man who straightened the curve, cured the disease, abandoned mischief and established the sunnah. He departed from this world with untarnished clothes and little shortcomings. He achieved good of this world, and remained safe from its evils. He offered Allah's obedience and feared Him as he deserved. He went away and left the people in dividing ways wherein the misled cannot obtain guidance and the guided cannot attain certainty.